Hello. Hello, everybody. Are you there? Hannah? Serena. La 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 la. Oh, Hannah, what happened? You're in a television box. Ah. Are you stuck? Do you watch the movie 贞子? You know is it Sadako or something like that? The one that crawls out of the television? It's a scary movie. Never watch ah? All right, you're going to research 贞子. So there's actually this this scary little monster crawling out from the television. Yeah. So you can actually go and scare yourself during the school holidays. All right. Okay, so let me admit Brian in first. Y'all can hear me loud and clear, right? All right. So okay. So last week, right? Last week, Serena is the winner. All right. So Selena, do you receive the popular voucher? Yes, right. Okay. So yours, Hannah, you see Serena nodding her head, so it means that I never lie, Hey, how come Brian is a girl? Scary. Who is this? Right. Suddenly the name is Brian, then a lady come out. Okay, also can. All right, let's not judge. All right. It's okay to be called Brian if you're a lady. Hey, are you there, Brian? I'm sorry. All right, I shouldn't be joking about you. I'm so sorry. Don't be angry. Can you please turn on your video? Oh, it's Tammy lah. Yeah, she renamed herself, or maybe her brother is called Brian. All right. Or maybe the dad is called Brian. I don't know. All right, but Tammy, nice to have you here. Okay, so just to inform you guys that last week Serena won. All right, so Serena already received the popular voucher, the $5 voucher. So I sent it to her already. All right. So this time around, right, this week, right, we also will have another $5 vouchers for you to win. All right. So again, as I say, it's like a game, right? So a game must have some prize. But Serena, I got something extra for you. Because last week you are the winner, right? This week, if you are the winner again, you will get $10 voucher. Okay? All right. So that is the extra boost for you to try to be the winner for this year. All right. So once again, if there's a tie, right? For example, Hannah, Serena, and Tammy all got the same marks throughout. Okay. Then Serena will get a $10 voucher. Hannah and Tammy will get the $5 voucher. Is that okay? Okay, All right, so the special $10 voucher is only for Serena because last week she won. Let's see whether this week she can win or not. All right, just trying to make it a little bit more exciting. Can? All right, so I believe you all know what the kind of questions will be already. So I don't want to wait some more already. All right, can I get you guys to try to annotate again? All right, so maybe can you choose one box and write in your name, please? All right, can you please try to annotate? Ooh, yeah. Annotation is on actually. Okay, Serena, I saw your name. Hannah, I saw your name. Very good. Okay, let me just copy down Hannah. Hannah is this box, is it? Okay. Let's leave Hannah here. H. Right, Serena, down here. Okay, sure. Tammy, are you able to annotate? Tammy, are you there? Can you annotate? All right. Uh, uh, are you okay, Tammy? Yeah. Tammy, if you can you annotate? Can you try? Oh, very good. Yes, you can do it. All right, so Tammy up here. Okay, so the reason why I want you to annotate as best as possible, right, is right because over the weeks, right, over the last 2 weeks, the students think that I am a bit unfair. All right, because there are some students who key in the answer in the chat, then only I can see the chat. So they think that I pack up with them to let them win or something like that. All right, so I didn't lah, of course lah. But the thing is, because some of them didn't win, so they say not very nice things lah. All right, so that's the reason why I want to try to get you guys to annotate so that at least everybody can see that you are the one who give the answer, not me. All right, I never try to help people to win or what. All right, so that is just trying to be fair lah. I mean. Can? All right, so we have 3%. Very, very good. That means the chances of winning is higher. All right. So, okay, come. Let's go into the first question. Can? All right. So where is the ladybug? Ladybug, ladybug. All right. Can you see now? Actually got so many names, but only got 3 of you come. All right, that's good. All right. So can you please go to your name down there and write in the answer? All right. We have Serena on the right, Hannah on the right, and Tammy on the top left. Can look for your color box and write in the answer. Go and find the ladybug, ladybug, ladybug. Okay, again, take your time, and once you lock in the answer, cannot change already, So try to do it properly. One time. Nice, nice. Hey, hello, Hannah's brother. Hello. Oh, sorry. Yeah, but Hannah brothers are like that. They are very irritating. Oops. So I have an older sister also. Yeah, but last time, yeah, I always try to irritate my sister, right? Because my sister got her own friends now. Then I also want to, be part of it. It's always like that. Okay, so Serena, Tammy, and Hannah all give the answers already. Can you see or not? So in this case, right, everybody write it out, right? It's fair, you see. So I never pack up with anybody, All right, and the 3 of you chose the answer C. Really? Huh? Oh yeah, my sister is Hannah. My sister is not okay. Okay, so to be honest with you, all right. Every time I try to disturb lah. All right. So I always say that my name is Ben. I have a twin brother called Fern. All right, and I have a sister called Bernice. Right, because Bernice is made out of burn and nice, right? So burn is very nice. It's called Bernice. All right, but all these are bluff you one, right? All these bluff you all one. All right, I don't have a sister called Bernice. I don't have a twin brother called Fern. All right, but I got one sister, real sister. She's called Faith. All right, Faith. She's called Faith. All right, so that is the real sister. The rest, right? Bernice, Fern, all these are bluff people one. All right, is trying to communicate with some of the children, try to disturb them. All right, yeah. Okay, come. So down here, all of you actually got it right. Woo! Why? Because this ladybug is actually inside this pink color box. All right, it is in the pink color box. Right, but it's not in the purple circle. It's not in the purple circle. All right, the purple circle missed the ladybug. And the ladybug is also in the green color triangle. All right, so everybody got it right. Smart. All right, the pink and the green color triangle. All right, so all 3 of you got it. All right, very good. So we have Tammy, we have Hannah, and we have Serena. Okay, let's look at the next question. Okay, the next question also quite simple. Don't worry, don't worry. All right, let's look at it. Okay, so you're supposed to look at the view from above. How would that look like? Okay, so we have Serena logging in her answer. Okay, we can wait for Hannah and Tammy, no problem. Ooh. Okay, Hannah and Tammy. Okay. So all of you choose B. B for Burn. Brilliant. All right. So again, all right, all of you got it right. So again, right, if you take a look from the top view, right, you can only see what? You can only see the purple color, this portion, all right, like a rectangle from the top. And this green color slope, right? This green color slope, right? Can you see this slope down here? All right, this green color slope, right? You cannot see the slopeness. You cannot see the elevation. All right, so in a way, right, you only see another rectangle. So you will be looking at two rectangles from the top view. All right, you can only see two rectangles from the top view, and therefore the answer is B. All right. So from the top view, it's very hard to see whether, whether is there any elevation involved or not. All right. So I don't know whether you all got fly aeroplane before or managed to have a chance to sit in an aeroplane before. All right, the same thing. All right, so when you're up in the plane, right, you can see all the HDB, right? So sometimes they fly past Singapore. All right, the HDB is all you can only see what? You can only see the top portion only. All right, you can see the top portion only. All right, the HDB is 1 block by 1 block, something like that. All right, you only can see the top portion. All right, you cannot see like how many levels. You don't know how many levels. All right, it can be 20 levels, but it's still like that. It can be 1 level and it's still like that. So you cannot see the height, you cannot see the elevation or what. All right, so the answer is correct. Answer is B. Good job. Okay, next question. Right, usually the class smaller, right, it's easier to, to go and do more questions. Right, yesterday my P5 class, wow, my P5 class, yeah, there's about 9 students. And out of the 9 students, got 6 monkeys. Oh my goodness. When they ask them to annotate, right, I tell you they will have all sorts of annotation coming out. All right, they will draw picture, they will try to disrupt the class and yada, yada, yada. Woo! Right, yesterday was a challenge. How many questions are there in total? There is about 20. All right, but I think there's an additional 2 or 3 more behind. All right, so total there's about 24, 25 questions, maximum 25. All right. I came back from Malaysia today. Oh, nice. Wow, oh, you see, you came back Malaysia with in an airplane. Wow, that's something new. All right, because usually when I think about Malaysia, right, it's going to JB only. So JB take bus or take train lah. All right, but you managed to take a plane lah. So I think you're coming in from Ipoh. Oh, nice, nice. Wow, I'm so jealous. All right, wow. So Tammy just came. Is it yes, Hannah? Hannah just Oh yeah. Tammy just came back from Ipoh. Oh, Hannah also come back from Malaysia on Sunday. Wow, nice, yeah, so good. And because this time round go Malaysia good, you know why? The exchange rate very good. All right. Well, Hannah going Japan next week. Very good also. The exchange rate very good. Right, means that, right, you know what's the meaning of exchange rate, right? All right, exchange rate is like, for example, your $1 Sing can exchange for how much Japanese yen. So the rate now is very, very good for Japanese yen. All right, so Singapore dollar is actually very strong. So you can actually go down there and spend more money. All right. Wow, Hannah, I'm so jealous. Very good. All right, Malaysia also. So I think Singapore dollar is very strong. So the Malaysia ringgit, right, is actually quite weak. So actually you can go down there and buy more grocery and all this. Yeah, I'm planning a trip to Malaysia also. All right, maybe this Friday. All right, go down there and buy children clothing for my children. All right. Yeah. So we try to save up a bit also. Okay, come. Sorry. Talk too much. All right, but I'm so happy that you guys are actually traveling. Good job. Okay, come. Lay one figure over the other. All right, so one on top of the other, how will it look like? Sorry, I talk too much. Very good. This is also very straightforward, right? Tammy, Serena, and Hannah. Okay, so what happened is you have to look at the final picture. So the final picture consists of what? The final picture consists of this red color semicircle on top and the red color semicircle below, which actually comes from here. All right. So what is it short of? What is it of? It's short of the X. All right, it's short of this X down here. So obviously this X, right, you have to what? You have to go and get it from here lah. Can you see not? All right, therefore the answer is C. Good job. Woo!